Hello guys, welcome back to this video right here. This is the DC-3D-Design's real carbon fibre cubby hole filler. Now, I'm not a massive fan of carbon fibre. At least I wasn't until I held a real piece in my hand, and my god, it is absolutely beautiful. It's, I love it. But anyway, this is the DC-3D-Design's cubby hole filler, newly released. These are on the market for £30. You've got two choices at the minute. You can either have a red logo in the middle, or you can have a stealth black or a stealth grey look. Obviously the choice is yours. I'll put a picture up now of the black grey one. Both, in my opinion, look amazing. But yeah, the shine of this is awesome. So anyway, this is what you get. You get the actual plate itself, and then you get two 3D printed, almost, let's call them legs, why not? But basically they're going to be the bits that slide into the cubby hole and actually hold it in for you. So they only go one way. You've got two holes on the back, and you're literally going to line up the holes with the tabs, pop it in. Obviously just be gentle with this bit. You don't want to use any force or anything. There's no need for any force. And then once you've got it in, it should be nice and flush, like so. So you can see that it kind of follows the curve of the carbon fibre. Obviously you're going to do the exact same with the second one. So once you've got it fully assembled, this is what you're left with. Obviously this part is the only bit that's going to be on show. Everything here is literally to hold it into place. But once again, I cannot get over the fact of how beautiful this is. Now then guys, just for you, we're doing a giveaway. So if you'd like one of these, so to enter the giveaway guys, all you have to do is leave a comment below this video saying hashtag DC3D-Design. Just all one word, hashtag DC3D-Design, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. And in a week or two time, I will draw that giveaway. So, here we are. This is your cubby hole. Why it exists, no one knows. You can't put anything in there, nothing holds in there, so why not fill it with this bad boy? It really is, once you've got this all lined up, and you've got this top bit lined up nicely, it really is as simple as that. And as you can see, it fits damn perfectly. I mean, that looks amazing. Such a simple little thing, but it really does stand out on your center console. It makes me want to seriously change like this to like carbon fiber, and like this to carbon fiber. I love carbon fibre. I'm sold on it. I'm so sold on it. So yeah, if you guys want this, it's £30. But like I said, enter the giveaway down below. It's free to enter. Doesn't cost you anything. Happy days. What's there to lose? Just enter. Anyway, nice short, sweet video for you guys. If you're interested in any of the DC-3D-Design's products, such as the cubby hole filler, such as the handbrake hole filler down here. I mean, that is solid. It's still in there, still holding, still never dropped anything down there, which is wicked. Not sure if he's selling the gear knobs, but if he is, that's the kind of design you can get, which I think looks absolutely awesome. I love it. And obviously I've got my own little logo in the top there. Admittedly, I need my updated logo on there, don't I? But anyway, there it is. The carbon cubby hole filler from DC-3D-Designs. If you're interested, link in the description, and I'll see you guys next time.